Associations describe the relationship between products, where one product in some way is dependent on another. Good examples are cross-selling products, upselling products, replacement products, predecessor and successor products, spare parts, components, etc. Any association type can be created and used in the system. Associations can be activated and deactivated. Deactivated associations cannot be used. Associations can be one-sided or bilateral. If you want to create a bilateral association, you have to choose the backward association for it. For example, for product A and product B, where product B is the successor product for product A, the backward association is that product A is the predecessor for product B. All the product associations are displayed on the product detail page in the panel Associated Products. Here we see the association type and the associated product for the current product. You can create an unlimited number of associations by using the plus icon to add a new one. A pop-up window appears, so you can choose the association you want to use. If the chosen association is configured as bilateral, the checkbox both directions is automatically checked and backward association automatically filled in. You can still change it, if you want. If a bilateral association is created, you only need to create the association in one direction. This will automatically create the backward association. Let's create a bilateral association. I create association successor. Then I create association predecessor and add successor as backward association. As you can see, successor has predecessor as backward association and predecessor has successor as backward association. Let's choose some product. The selected product should be a successor product to another product. So I choose a successor association, for which the predecessor is configured as a backward association, so it is selected automatically. I also choose the related product and then click on Save. As you can see, the association is created. If I click on the related product, I will instantly move on to the detail page for that product. In its Associated Products panel, we can see the backward association to our previous product, which was automatically created. If a one-side association is removed from a bilateral association, the backward association is also automatically removed. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.